Welcome back to the SIA English Learning Pod. I'm Miranda.
And I'm Marco. Today, we're diving into something really, really fun, I think. We're going to talk about some of the most iconic, memorable movie dialogues in English cinema history.
Oh, I love this. I mean, who doesn't, right? There are so many lines that have become just part of, our everyday language, even if you don't realize where they came from.
Absolutely. It's pretty wild how a few words can just stick with you. So, Miranda, what's one of the first ones that comes to your mind?
Oh, okay. Let's see. I think a classic one, probably one of the most quoted ever, has to be, "May the Force be with you." From Star Wars. It's everywhere.
Ah, yes. May the Force be with you. Of course. It's just a simple blessing, but it encapsulates so much about hope and, destiny in that universe. It's really, really powerful. People say it all the time now, even if they've never seen the movie.
Exactly. It's kind of become like a shorthand for good luck, almost. What about you? What's another one that, always sticks out to you?
Well, there's one that it's from an older film, but it's just so elegant, I guess. "Here's looking at you, kid," from Casablanca.
Oh, Marco, I love that one. That scene, it's just so heartbreakingly romantic, isn't it? Humphrey Bogart delivering that line, it's just perfect. It perfectly captures that bittersweet farewell.
It really does, doesn't it? It's so short, but it conveys so much emotion. And speaking of older films, how about this one? "Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn."
Oh my goodness, Gone with the Wind! That was revolutionary for its time, wasn't it? The sheer audacity of Scarlett O'Hara and Clark Gable's Rhett Butler just walking away like that, it was just shocking for audiences back then.
Yeah, it really was. And it perfectly summarizes, Rhett's character and his frustration with her. And it's a mic drop moment, isn't it? Just so powerful.
Totally a mic drop. And, talking about powerful, simple lines that have become iconic, what about something a bit more modern? Like, "I'll be back."
"I'll be back." Of course, Arnold Schwarzenegger from The Terminator. That's his signature line now, isn't it? So simple, so direct, yet so menacing from him. It's just, pure action movie gold.
It really is. And it's used so much in pop culture now, like when someone, is just leaving a room and they want to be dramatic. It's great. It just shows how these lines, they transcend the movies themselves, don't they?
Yeah, they truly do. They become part of our cultural fabric, our, shared understanding. It's pretty amazing. And for our listeners, it's a great way to learn new vocabulary and just some common expressions.
Absolutely. Next time you're watching a movie, pay attention to those lines that just stick with you. They often have a lot of meaning packed into just a few words.
Right? So that's all for today's episode of the SIA English Learning Pod. We hope you enjoyed our trip down memory lane with some classic Hollywood quotes.
Thanks for tuning in. Keep practicing your English, and we'll be back next time with another interesting topic. Bye for now.
See ya!